Hey, Chana, I finished my letter to you. uh, wow, my eyes are really dark. But it's because the lighting is um sad. Anyways, long story short, things are doing better. I'm just training for my language school job, and I'm gonna try to go every 2 weeks back to Bangkok, see Yashi. Uh, Maybe I'll meet a cute Taiwanese girl, um, or a girl from Latin America. I really like Latina girls. I'm kind of really bored with Asian women, to be honest. And I'll never date a Filipino woman. I got Mary Rose and Malu, so nah, they're not cool like you and direct. So, uh, here in Asia, the Filipinos are so I was like, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? And it's like, this is boring. And it's so church oriented. Spend every Sunday all day long at the church. So actually, that's one of the problems with my marriage with Malu is like she's gone every Sunday, and even if I'd go, it's all in Tagalog, and they don't translate. They say, "Oh yeah, there's Spanish." And then she wouldn't speak Tagalog with me and wouldn't teach me. So I'm grateful we're not married anymore. So uh, if you can't share your like own native language, then I don't want to. I wouldn't want to marry you or be with you. Uh, so, anyways, Vietnamese girls are still the best. Strong, sexy. They love English. Very humble, and that's like really sexy. So I had a girlfriend in Vietnam, and when I tried for like 4 or 5 months to get a job there, but they were like, "Oh, you're 50 years old," and da 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 da. So yeah, it was really hard. The weather was lousy, and then I tried 3 times to get a job where my girlfriend was. I met her online. So um, yeah, so it's it was a big just letdown. But I kept in contact. Uh, all my friends are Vietnamese, so pretty much they're like just good, really good people. And Kong, my best friend, I chat. You try to chat every day, and then a few other friends. So they're like Latino, Asian Latinos, Vietnamese. So they hang out at the cafes, and not everyone's staring at their phone the whole time. So it's nice. It's a cafe culture. They don't go out to drink. People just go out and have coffee. Uh, Whereas Thailand, they just go to a movie or go to bed, which is like so boring. Most boring country in the entire world, I think, is Thailand. Now it's just getting worse because of the government, the new king is just, yeah, sleaze. He has $70 billion, and um, you can have a mistress and get married. He's on his fourth wife. Divorced his third, and the 3 children are disowned. So yeah, it's just not good because they voted the military to stay in power, and now he was in the military. So yeah. So anyways, that's about it. How are you? How is it meeting people? Um, It's probably easier to meet people outside San Francisco, right? Um, I don't know. I've heard so many bad stories about San Francisco that it's just like full of rich people, like Bangkok. So, oh man, I can't even. I get really angry when I go to Bangkok. I have to like stare at the ground, just stare at people's feet on the, like the subway, the like BART. They're so materialistic and play on their phones and don't even hold the straps. They're just rude people. Uh, yeah, Bangkok's just kind of like, actually, it's the worst city I've ever been in. Even worse than like East Oakland. At least Oakland, like they're like poor and real. But anyways, let me know how you're doing. You can just write me a message. So, anyways, eating my apples from New Zealand or China. So I went to Taiwan because it's not China. So, um, and then Steve's from Taiwan. So, anyways, there's a lot of sexy moms where I live. So I don't know how to deal with that. Like, have three ways or. Anyways, miss you, love you. Okay.